It is time for Message from the Future. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. And in today's video we are going to talk about the Arcade1up from China. And the reason why I'm calling this because it's more like, I wouldn't say exactly the same measurements, but it's coming close. It's more like the same scale that this arcade machine is using. I noticed it here on AliExpress, and I just want to talk about. I'm trying to get one here so I can make a full review about it. What are we going to get? So, and overall, I'm just gonna say it, they are not cheap. Buying it, they go around, let's say, $370. So that's a lot of, that's a shitload of money. But this one is including shipment. So, you know what the price of an Arcade1up? But I have a really small video, and this is what I wanted to show you. They did a small video for showing. And it seems to be they're using something like in Pandora books or 3G. I really like what they're showing here. It's a 90-inch screen. If you look at the weight is around 26 kilograms. Alright, let's see. This one got a coin, an instant coin unit. So, if for the people who really love it, for the extra retro experience, that is possible with this one. 90-inch screen, what I already mentioned. So, Arcade1up is using 70-inch screen. Let's see the measurements of the thing. The package only having the package management, yeah, the size of the measurements of the package itself. And overall, this is what we're going to get. I'm very curious. There is only one problem with this thing, and you're going to see it here. At only having 4 buttons for each player. So that's going to be a small problem. Let me know what you think of this. There are some games like, let's say, in Street Fighter, or most of the time we are playing with 6 buttons. So there's a little bit of a bummer. I really love the design itself. The funny thing is, here we have this. I'm guessing normally we're having 2 speakers here, but we got in this tiny hole, so I have really no clue what's up with this. And overall, I really love the model itself. Let me know what you think of this. I really love to know. So, to conclude this video, I'm going to try to get one. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the little bell, and see you next time.